All that I want in this life is the chance to do my thing. All that I want in this life is the chance to do my thing.
I want the top. All my people right there in the back of the spot. I need the top.
So we've just arrived in Darwin. I think we're going to the stadium, the Speedway soon to suss out the filming location for tomorrow night. See a fire. Bro, look at all the birds in there. Hi, I'm Che. Renee. Yeah. Welcome to the vlog, guys.
Welcome to the vlog. I pick up a burning stick and drop it somewhere else. Like, look, see, like. Yeah.
Oh, there's one there.
Yeah. Take pick, hey.
How you doing, man? How's your flight? Good. This is Aaron, guys. He's the mastermind behind this. Aaron and the boys have been setting shit up. They've made a jump out of this sea container. They've got cars all around to run over. Because like it's not normal cars. Like we're dealing with monster trucks, so it's a bit more dangerous. You're gonna catch on fire. I was like, the light's off and it's still building.
Yeah, that's why it goes like water. I was like, no, you need to disconnect the battery.
While they're sorting out the wiring problems, we're just gonna send the drone up to see what it's like with the drone. What the f*** is that shit? What a tongue. Cheers, mate. Cheers to the weekend. Look at this bad boy.
Oh, it's my new daily, guys.
It's registered. Just need a few more cars for the track to run over tomorrow. So the door of the car has swung open on the trailer.
She'll be right, mate.
Watch out, the traffic comes by like right.
You got traffic coming.
Crisis averted. Our biggest issue tomorrow is going to be dust, so we're going to have to constantly remember to wipe you. Anything else?
Earplugs.
Oh yeah.
Because they are loud. You've probably seen
Monster
the
truck driver.
already. But
You going to win tomorrow? Always.
let's find out what the main best ramp.
But that's a good spot there because I'm not allowed anywhere in there.
Move them cars there so you got a stack so you can nearly. Yeah, I agree.
Big Red's going to be like running around in here, and then once the show starts at 5:30 we'll probably retire Big Red out of here and move it over to the kids and bring all of our gig into here. Yeah, what we'll do.
Anything you want to say to the vlog before tomorrow?
No, everyone's got to send it.
Fine words. It's a big day.
It's a big day. Very big day. It's 9 AM.
It's 9 o'clock in the morning. We've packed all the gear up, charged all the gear. We're going to head down there early so we can do our feature with the jet car hopefully if we get time and Dave has time. Good, ready for a good day?
Yep, fucking hell.
See you down there.
See you, bro.
So last night Aaron took Shattered Silence for a test drive. Ended up melting the engine harness, well the electrical harness, I don't know which harness, a harness. And so they worked all through the night, and they're still working on it this morning. They're just reharnessing the whole thing, so hopefully all going to plan. It's ready to go by showtime. Hey man, what's your name?
Michael.
Michael, I'm guessing this is your truck here, the Tropical Thunder?
Yeah, it's my piece too.
I've always wanted to ask one question. How much do one of these cost to build?
Oh look, there's definitely different stages there, how much you can spend, but yeah, my truck over there is 250,000, so it's pretty pricey. Pretty pricey bit of equipment.
Jackie, you reckon you can afford one of them?
Yeah, maybe.
What about the engine alone?
Yeah,
I want to put one of my Highlights.
So we get our engines all just in parts because it's a bit cheaper. They come from the States,
Yeah.
so we get it in smaller packages and then put it together at home. But yeah, you're still spending 40,000 on an engine.
Thanks, man.
No worries.
Hi, my name's David Nicotra. This is one of my creations here. It's a Daihatsu Mira, fitted with a Turbo Mecha jet engine. The front engine puts out about 35 horsepower, and the rear one's about 2,600 horsepower. Runs on Jet A1, kerosene. I've had it to speeds up to 320 kilometres an hour. Basically found the smallest car possible, just large enough to put such an engine in. Fitted it over a period of about 2 years, and ever since that I've just been doing shows around the country.
Is it hard to drive?
No, a little bit harder than a normal car because you've got dual controls, one for the jet, then you've got the car itself. The car is still currently road registered in New South Wales. And another one of my creations is Tomcat over here, which was just an old front engine monster truck from the States and also fitted with a jet engine, just to make things a little bit interesting out there on the track.
We just spent a good part of 45 minutes going through the schedule. We pretty much know what we're going to be doing.
Not really. No, we do. Sort of wing.
Jackie's mostly going to be in the middle of the track, and I'm going to be drone and outside and coming into the middle to do microphone stuff and audio and GoPro stuff. 45 minutes till gate opens, and then
we got 2 hours till the pit party, and then it's all hands on from there.
oh,
Should
we've
be
got our
sick.
new shirts, Moss Truck Masters crew. We've got V8 supercars racing down there as well, and we've got horses. Me and Jackie are in position. We are how many minutes till go? 12. Oh, so we still got 12 minutes. Oh, this is my little spot here I'm going to be hiding. Monster trucks are going to be jumping from here, from there, from there, from here. And I'm right in this little weird area where there's concrete. And you can see the crowd waiting for us. It's going to be good.
This life is the chance to do my
I want the time. All my people right there in the back of the spot, I need the time. If you know me, you don't know me to stop, I need the time. All my people there in the back of the spot, let them shout. Yeah. I want the top, 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 top. All my people right there in the back of the spot, I need the top, 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 top. If you know me, you don't know me to stop. I need the top, 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 top. All my people there back in the spot, let them shout. Yeah.
We're about to wrap up the night, but Aaron being Aaron, had to go off with a bang. Fucking did a nice 360 front mad flip, donut into the ground.
In dust, you covered the poor camera crew. In dust too, so we're sorry camera crew, you got covered in dust.
All my people